So friends, today I'm going to show you how I make my Maggi noodles. Simply delicious and quick. So in a pot I've taken 1.5 cup of water. Let the water come to a gentle boil. Then you add the Maggi masala packet that's there. So this is a single masala noodles packet, veg. Now when it comes to a vigorous boil, just crush up the noodles a bit and then add them. And then just mix all of this really well together. And let it cook for about 1.5 minutes on a low to medium flame. And it will look like this with a little bit of the liquid still there, or the water. Now I'm going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Now what this does is this makes the noodles really silky and smooth and just delicious. And then I like to add a little bit of extra Maggi masala. You get these small packets. Add them as per your taste. If you want a lot of flavor, then add the entire packet. It's a very small packet, or you add like according to your taste. So this is definitely as per taste, but I like to add the whole packet because then it adds extra flavor. And then we're just going to cook it till there's just a little bit of the liquid. I mean, if you want it completely dry, then cook it till all of the liquid's off, but I like a little bit of it left. And then turn the flame off and then just pour it into a big bowl and just enjoy it. Whether it's a rainy day or you're just watching your favorite movie or you just want to have Maggi. So this is how I make Maggi. Let me know if you try this out and how you like it. I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.